this where the store was?
So the blue trailer was right there.
Alright. What is all that?
Stuff people dump out here. We're gonna see what someone's.
I don't know if I can get bit.
We need to get a pair of boots or something. This is.
You go see.
Oh, it's an old dresser.
What the fuck? Why is there a dresser out here?
Mattress.
Now that I didn't expect to find.
What is there, a homeless guy out here or something?
Maybe.
Living up under that little thing, that little board?
So that's the other peak tree.
You know what would suck? If we
Alright.
just ran over him.
I can't see it. Pump house for the wells over there.
Oh, wow.
You see? I think I see the building right behind that tree.
Yeah, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but
I can barely see it. So there's a well in that building, and then the white trailer was kind of that way. Motherfucker.
are we stuck? What the fuck is it doing? There's like literally nothing behind us. The truck is like slamming brakes itself. Like,
I got it fucking turned off.
are you sure it's turned off? Because that little backup camera thing's red. Why is it gonna slam so hard?
Should we cut the camera?
No, it's just funny as fuck. Like,
This motherfucker is off.
oh, okay.
Good gosh.
Be careful.
Okay, that's the ditch.
Is that what was doing that?